Hi, this is Chris from Spectrum Lighting. Today we're here to talk about our Pier Light series. I love the Pier Light series. These are inspired by our local lighthouses here in southeastern Massachusetts and Rhode Island. The tiers here are evocative of the Fresnel lenses that you see in these lighthouses. So what we've done is we've rendered them in aluminum. All these shades and fixtures are all spun here in the factory by hand. It's 1100 aluminum, which is 98% pure. Then we do a powder coat over it. The powder coat is a 3-stage powder coat process, and it's very, very durable. We're going to show you some more details on these, and then show you all the options you can get with the Pier Light series from Spectrum Lighting. This is our brand new Pier Light. It's the smallest in our series of Pier Lights. It has the same features as our larger series though. It's all hand spun aluminum. This is spun in our factory out of 1100 aluminum. It's pure aluminum. Then we powder coat it with our 3-stage powder coat process. Inside, we've got our diffuse jar. This diffuses the light and obscures the LED. We have mid-power LEDs for long life. We have integral heatsink. The top hub, that's a key feature of these. You can get this in 3/4 inch to fit a gooseneck for wall mounting. We can also do 1/2 inch or 3/8 rigid stem. And we also do cord, straight cord, and you can do cord and cable. We also have the color cord, so you can mix a color cord with different color finish on the outside, create a very unique specification. This is the Pier Light Mini. It's brand new from Spectrum. The next product I want to show you is one of the tech tiers. I like this one again because it has the ability to do different tiers. This one we have acrylic on here. You can get these as aluminum or acrylic. This has a standard size jar. Again, integral heatsink. This product will go up to 3000 lumens, so it can be used as a real light source. It's not just a decorative product. Again, it has the same features as the top hub, and this is the tech tier for Spectrum Lighting. So to support the Pier Light and the tech tier series, we have 2 pieces of literature. The first one's our RLM Classic. This is the all-inclusive. This has all of our RLMs in here and shows all the colors. Over on this side, you can see the Pier Lights and the tech tiers. And then the back page shows the colors as well as all the color cords you can get. So this is kind of the master RLM catalog. And then for the Pier Lights specifically, because we love them so much, we made their own little catalog. And this one's nice because it shows some renders of these products installed. And then it also has a little more concise ordering guide just for the Pier Lights. And again, the back side, you're going to see your colors, your mountings, your photometry. So these are both to support the Pier Light and the tech tier series. On the wall and back, you can take a look and see all of the different color options that we have for the tech tier and the Pier Light series. These are available on most of our RLMs as well as most of our Spectrum decorative product. And these colors can be seen in the catalog, as well as you can request color chips from the factory if your customers want to see them. So this video you're going to see here is a close-up shot of our Concordia. Again, that's within the Pier Light series. It's one of the tiered products we make. And you can see all the spun aluminum shades, the nice diffuse glass, and then how everything fits together really proportionally. This image is of one of the classic Pier Lights. This is showing it with a straight arm mounting off the wall. You can see our CP104, which is our die-cast wall box, as well as, again, the spun aluminum shades, careful attention to detail, and the proportional shades.